I know.
Reverse. 1 foot.
Okay, yeah, 1 second. I know.
All right, stop. Wait, don't go.
Almost there.
Keep pushing. Gas.
Yeah. Oh, good. Like Alex Berjan from Cushing, the only fire department helped me from the unit 402, McLean, Virginia. I want to thank you very much. Dziękuję bardzo. Hey guys, good, very good. You know, I'm gonna get rocket right my friend. The block pizza. Mike is my friend.
Okay.
On Monday when he goes down, I bring you some food.
Okay, very good.
Also,
Appreciate it.
Italian Salvador Esposito, we know each other from 1989.
Okay.
Polish American prisoner of war, special also.
Cool. Yes, sir. We're from the Vienna station.
Yeah, Vienna.
Vienna.
Oh, my friend, the bodybuilder police station. I forgot his name. Captain. Yes, born in America. He's bodybuilder.
Vienna station? I think I know who you
You know, bodybuilder.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
Hey,
Vienna.
how is Vienna doing? Roberto Donna, Pazzo Pomodoro, and Bonarotti, my friend. See, Jimmy Pazzo Pomodoro, he knows. Take care. See, only fire department. No. Actually, it was Vienna, Virginia fire station. They helped me. Wonderful people. We have a mutual friends. They came with the small truck to claim McLean community. If you're rich and famous in McLean, please help those people. No. I don't know if size. I don't know. So, disaster. Fairfax County is not doing anything. Those people were from Vienna. I have to accelerate now. I don't want to stop here because I will be stuck. Yeah, it's so bad. I didn't know it's so bad. See, the roads are so unplugged. This is Polish American from McLean, Virginia since 1989. 571-397-9481. You see on the plowers. They only come on the main road and they don't even plow the intersection. We need to do major complaint when it comes to the whoever superintendent, board of directors, Fairfax County, because this is really not acceptable. Why they did not put the salt on every road? Industrial salt, it's a 10 cents per pound, so 25 cents should cost about $2.50, but it's sold for, I don't know, $40 because they can make up story. They can do the huge increase right when it's the emergency. Should be illegal to sell the salt to the private people for such a high price. Wow, I didn't know it's gonna be so bad. Wow, this is so fucking bad. Yeah. No salt. it's not solved. Right now it's 5:02 p.m. I got stuck coming. Wow. And I don't know how I'm gonna make it back. So, you know, all those trucks do not care about cleaning the, for example, they plow the snow to the side road, and the side road is blocked up. Yeah. You see, like this one, major intersection, the only passage, small passage, and you'll never even know if you're gonna be able to come out. See, the trucks are parking there, getting pizza, hot dog, and just counting the hours for income. Private companies and the public hired by government taxpayers. This is the main road, Cambridge Road. I thought I would be stuck. If not the fire department, I would be fucking stuck, because there were 3 guys who helped me to push and also to clean. If I would live someplace northwest, or I would have definitely 4-wheel, I mean the heavy. You need like a heavy truck, not just regular one, because the regular one you will be stuck. It's become icy soon, so I don't want to get stuck here any part of the road. Thanks God I didn't get stuck here. Good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just park here and go over there. Small one. This strong one, 4 wheels, it's a good one. Another one, another 3 coming. It's good. But go on the side, you know. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Goed.